I created this CAD 11 module for eTech 565A. I attempted to use constructivist principles in doing so. Would you just have a look at this module here just quickly. Here it's set up to be 3 weeks long approximately. We got a number of lessons and some discussions in here, and what I do when I create my lessons, I always put an objective up here, even though this is a constructivist principles. And so what I have here is a little bit of a description of what's going on, and then basically the students have to get into a discussion amongst themselves, and if they click there then they will go to the discussion. And since nobody's actually done this, there's just an entry here from a test there. So the idea being that students would then discuss things here amongst themselves and build their knowledge through doing so. And then go on to the next lesson, and because they're learning CAD software, it's a bit of a challenge for most students just to jump in and do it on their own, so I give them guidance in the form of perhaps some videos, perhaps just little hints here and there, and to give them ideas of what they're supposed to be doing, links outside to find what else is going on in the rest of the world, and then on to the next lesson. On occasion I've got lessons that consist of chapters from a book, and again, since they're learning a piece of software, they often need to have a guide. But what I tell them here is that they don't actually have to go through page by page, item by item, and do every single thing. They should jump to the examples and try to do the examples, and if they can't, then go back and look it up or talk to each other. And again, we've got another assignment here, including wiki assignments, so that they can have a look at what each other are, what they're doing and how they're doing it. This module ends on a quiz, which is slightly different than a lot of them. I probably really wouldn't include a quiz in most of my classes, but this is a requirement of the module of the assignment that this was created underneath. So after the quiz, we can then go and do the CAD assignment itself. Some of the assignments are more straightforward than others. This is basically they have to reproduce a couple of drawings here. They have to do their sports facility assignment, which requires them to do quite a bit more background work on their own and produce their work. The opportunities here for socially building their knowledge is taken care of through the discussion boards and through the wikis, and that's probably about it. But I'm going to let this run here just in case I have something else to say later on.